Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add the emoji keyboard on Android. If you want to add emoji keyboard on Android, so let's see how can I do this. Basically, emoji image is already the built-in function of your Gboard which is installed on your Android phone. So let's see how can we enable it. First, you have to open your keyboard anywhere as I'm going to open here. Just open your keyboard and here's the emoji icon. Just tap on it and your emojis will appear. But if you won't get your emojis here, so you just have to install a third party application. So open your Play Store app. In Play Store, go for settings or search and search. Just look for emoji keyboard and then you have to install this application. Just tap on install and then it will be installed in your phone. Now wait for installation and then we'll make a setup of the keyboard. After the installation, you just have to tap on open to open the app and here tap on agree and continue and then tap on enable emoji and phone keyboard. Just select it and here enable it and then tap on OK and after that select the second which is switch to emoji or phone keyboard. Just select emoji keyboard from here and now you are able to use emoji keyboard on your Android phone. So go for key to open keyboard, open it and here you can see the emoji keyboard look like something this. So that's how you can enable emoji keyboard on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.